Number 1 is the too basic or too big of a setup. Empty or a barren tub with just one hide might not be the best for your new hatchling. Research shows that snakes in a barren environment can develop learned helplessness. Or sa madaling salita, ito yung kapag may small snake ka, usually hatchlings, they usually feel like they are the prey when they are too exposed sa isang napakalaking enclosure, napakalaking tub na walang hides, clutter, enrichment, and more often than not, if they feel unsafe, they would stop eating for you. So the fix is either you get yung grow out bins or grow out tubs na tinatawag, which is where you buy or you purchase a smaller tub for them to grow out of. And then, pagka-adult na sila or pagka mas malaki na yung size nila, saka ka mag-upgrade. Or, second fix is, if you have a big tub or a big enclosure, you just have to fill it up with clutter. Yes, clutter, such as branches, fake leaves, plants, multiple hides. Kahit nga maglagay ka lang ng rope sa taas ng